Just kind of throw that one out there just in case anybody wants to just do a final talk. Or do you want to do something really quick?
Just tell the story of it.
Yeah, like maximum 5 minutes. And we need to go to the fridge anyway. Unless you are eating at the people's beer time, Peter. Do you want to be that guy?
Yes. It's working out.
No, because like a lot of people here saw Etherpad-lite the first time and it was a GitHub page. There's a lot of story like how it came to this. So like I was sitting in Germany working for the Pirate Party. I read that that AppChat was bought and like, hey, cool, real-time editing. I played a bit with it. I set up an instance for the Pirate Party. The pirates used it a lot. We saw that activists use it. They used it to organize demos, protests. It was amazing what people did with it. The problem was just like it was a super horrible software to maintain as an admin. Like it had horrible CPU spikes, we had horrible memory leaks. It really wasn't fun to maintain it. On the other side, like people really relied on it very heavily, and I got a shit ton of emails if anything was down. Yeah. So a while later, I came to John, and basically like we played with Node.js. And at some point I said like, hey, like Etherpad, like it already uses a lot of JavaScript on the server side. It just runs under Rhino. So maybe we can take some of this JavaScript that already exists and can use it on the Node.js, because Node.js is well supported than much more than the AppChat library that they built. They have their own framework. So this like now it seems like obvious thing to do. At this point, everyone was like, this is crazy, this will never work, like, don't do it. Like, it got working, we had it working, so, but it just still was like, it had like a very small amount of features, and that's why we decided to call it Etherpad-lite, because, I mean, we went from 2 GB RAM to 20 MB RAM usage, and we had much less code and everything, so it was lighter, but still people said like it has less features, so it's light. Later in time, we managed to get nearly all of the features. We never got the team functionality because we had this idea instead of rebuilding team functionality, which was like because they used the commercial. So the whole team functionality was, so they have something to sell. We said like, we don't need to sell. We want create kind of a plugin people can build with. That's why we never implemented the team functionality. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I just want to give a background because I feel like I told everyone in person about the story. So now you know how this all happened and why we're here today. Okay, thanks.
Okay, I think we'll wrap it up there. So the plan is basically we're going to run